Hi, prep learners. Miss Sang here. Welcome to session 3, Maths. Our learning intention today is to build an understanding of how numbers are made. Success criteria: I can follow bundling. I can describe the numbers I have made using mathematical language. I can apply accurate counting, and I can reflect on how I have used SURF. Today we are going to use Unifix blocks to show bundling. And to be successful at this, you will need to be able to show and explain your thinking. You will be using some Unifix blocks and putting them into groups of 10. Let's go ahead and have a look at the examples.
Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Sang's place value chart. You would have something very similar in your Learning from Home resource pack. And this place value chart, I'm going to call it a place value house. And in this house there are 3 rooms. One is called hundreds, another room is called tens, and another room is called ones. And in this place value house, only one number or digit can be in each room at a time. What is a digit? A digit is any number from 0 to 9. So, if I had the number 1, that means 1 block lives in the 1 room. I'm using some Unifix blocks, but if you were going to do this activity, you could use some Lego blocks or icy pole sticks, any other concrete material. All right, now if I had the number 3, is it still between 0 and 9? It is, so that means I can have 3 blocks living in the ones room. Now, if I had the number 5, that is still between 0 and 9, that means I can have 5 blocks in the ones room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if Miss Sang had a number 9, that is still between 0 and 9, which means I can have 9 blocks in the ones room. Let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, what if I had the number 10? Is that still between 0 and 9? It is 1 more than 9. That means these blocks can no longer be in the ones room, and we have to move them all over to the tens room. Now, is that really messy and hard to count? I think it could be. So this is what it means to bundle. So instead of having 10 little ones there, what we need to do is bundle them together. And when we are bundling blocks, we can just connect them and make them into one stick. There we go. So I still have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here Miss Sang has 1 10 stick. I've just bundled my 10 blocks into a 10. This is a lot easier for me to count. So here I go, I've got the 10, 1 10. Now what if I had the number 12? If I had the number 12, that is 2 digits. So that means I can't have the 2 numbers in the ones and I can't have the 2 numbers in the tens room. So what I would have to do is actually split that number up, and I would put one of each into each room, because I know 12 is 10 plus 2. So here I've got the 10, and what I need to do is put 2 more in this house. So bundling it into a 10 makes it a lot easier to count. So now I'm going to take all of these blocks away. Let's have a go at bundling some other numbers. Now, if I had the number 30, that is now over 0 and 9. So I can't put 30 in the ones room because that's 2 numbers, and I can't put 30 in the tens room because that's also 2 numbers. So what I need to do is to split the 30 up. So 3, so the 30 goes there. And instead of having 30 little blocks, what I'm going to do is make it 3 sticks or 3 bundles of 10. Remember, they are in the tens room. So instead of counting all of them individually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I can just count them in tens. 10, 20, 30. That's a lot faster, isn't it? So we bundle in tens to make it a lot easier for us to count. Now I'm going to take away the number 30. What if I had the number 32? Now remember, if I have 32, I would have 10, 20, 30. So the tens, they live in the tens room. And I would have 2 more. So that makes 32.
So today's task is an assigned activity on our seesaw. You will need to go into the activities tab, and this activity called place values with Smarties 1 to 30 will show up. What you need to do is click the green add response button, click into your name, and here you go. Your activity is ready to complete. Now do not click the green tick button until you've completed all 10 pages on the side, so that you will only need to submit this task once. So here it says, use the hand tool to drag the candy pieces that the boy wants you to buy. What you need to do is make sure you click this tool over here, which has a little hand and a square. You must click that one. Okay, and it says, I would like 30 pieces, please. And you need to drag the candies over to this other side. Now, over here, there are some candies. There's a green, yellow, pink, purple, and orange candy, and they represent 1, just like my video before with the 1 Unifix blocks. And over here, we've bundled the candies into groups of 10. So here. So to get 30, are we going to drag 30 little candies across? Now you might start to lose count there. So no, we are not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to delete all of those candies. And instead, I'm going to drag my bundles, which are here, because they are a lot quicker to count. So 10, 10, 20, 30. I've completed this page. Now remember, don't click the green button. Go ahead and click page number 2. And here it says, I would like 11 pieces, please. Now let's do this. Now let's help count. 10, 20. Oh, that's over 11. So I'm actually going to move one back. So I've got 10 and one more makes 11. Now it's your turn to go ahead and finish off all the pages, so 10 pages. Once you've done that, you can click the green tick to submit. Good luck!